Grab a cup of tea, matcha, coffee, or even milk. We don't discriminate here. Hi, if you don't know me, my name is Nisa Fareeha and I am your digital best friend. Like this video to support this channel and subscribe if you're into self-care, productivity, and conscious consumption. I found Notion via TikTok and I think it's been trending on YouTube. And I'm a graduate student and I have a couple of things to do. So I thought this would be a really fun video to plan this with you guys. So if you have Notion, why don't you just pull it up as well? Or if you don't know about Notion, I mean, same. Let's do this. Let's get this bread. Okay, so here is my Notion page, and I still have the getting started up here because I didn't really read the instructions. I'm one of those people who didn't read the instructions. I rather fail and learn from my failure and then thrive. And if I can't figure out how to thrive, then I'll go to the instructions. So once you have a Notion account, they will include this getting started page. They have another page, but I deleted them already. But yeah, so this is my page right now. This is practically a to-do list, but I changed it into to manifest. I'm really into law of attraction. First and foremost, I like to start everything with a goal, and I like to highlight the projects that needs my attention instead of just doing things and put stuff on my calendar. So what I did was I arranged my projects around like this tab right over here. So as you can see, these are like my 3 classes. Because I'm new to Notion, and if you're like a Notion veteran, please be aware that I'm still playing around. But yeah, so in this folder right over here, I want to create a page with you guys together. Instead of like a chit chat, get ready with me. Let's do like a chit chat, getting our lives together. Okay, so let's add a page. And I want this page to be like my general page, the first thing that I see. And I want it to be my goals and my projects. So before anything, I like to go to this templates right over here. And as you can see, there's so many options for you to try. You can click the design button and like, look. It's so pretty, I think, and it has so much details. Or you can use this. I think you can use it with a team as well, which is really cool. And if you're in education, you can definitely check out this file right over here, like class notes, job application. This is like literally like the easiest thing to set up, and you can customize it however way, and I love that. My favorite is definitely the marketing section when you have the brand assets, meeting notes, and media list. Media list is my favorite, especially being a PR person. So for this specific page, I am going to use I think the roadmap sounds pretty good. Yeah, let's use the roadmap. All right, instead of roadmaps, what should we name it? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna do spring 2021. The heart shape and a sparkle. And I think I'm gonna put my projects, the projects I want to do up here. Oh, wait. So instead of this, let's write my consumer activism project. And oh, they already have this preset, but you can definitely personalize it to how you want it to be. Because this is a project, I'm going to put epic, and I'm going to put this in progress because I have started like talking to different influencers, journalists, activists, however you want to call it. So this is really cool. You can check out this filter to see each task by their labels. And I did not know that. Oh my god, you guys, that's so cool. Okay, let's do by status. Another project that I'm super excited and actually really nervous is that I am in the process of developing my own newsletter, and I want this newsletter to be, of course, about conscious consumption, self-care, and productivity, adjacent to what I post on YouTube, but giving you more resources like suggested podcasts to listen to, or a suggested book that you can definitely give a read, or even like journal prompts. I'm finding ways to make sure I give you guys constant value over and over again. The name of this newsletter will be In Conscious Flow by Nisa Fareeha. I don't have exact dates when I'm going to start posting this, but if you're interested, you can definitely join my mailing list. Hit the description box down below. I would appreciate it so freaking much. I got lost and confused, so I stopped filming, but now I'm back. I'm definitely back. I changed my screen. I changed the name of the folder to Manifesting instead of Spring 2021 because I think it sounds really boring when I just say Spring 2021. But let's get back on track. So yeah, I'm gonna use this Epic tool and just to set out my projects for the semester, and then I'm going to put in the little bit of a task so I can have an overview of what I'm supposed to do this whole couple of months. All right, so I already talked to you guys about my consumer activism project for my class, and I told you about my newsletter that I'm so excited to make. What else am I into? I need to work on my research paper, and my research paper will be about motivations that would encourage people to consume more ethically. You can consider that as psychology and marketing as well, because I want to know what makes people want to buy like fair trade or from a B Corp company and whatnot, other than their financial means. I don't really have a name for that project just yet, so I'm just gonna put research paper, motivations for ethical consumption. Okay. And this is, well, I've already kind of started. It's definitely in progress. This is definitely epic. This priority is high because or else I cannot graduate, and I would love to have my master's. Yeah. Ooh, timeline and date. I don't know. I'm just gonna have my timeline be like, let's do October 2021. I'm pretty sure it's because I think I'm supposed to submit my paper on November, so I'm gonna put early October, just like my boyfriend's birthday. Okay, let's do that as one of my epics. What other, this is my other project, and I recently kind of partner up with Thinx, and it's crazy because I just made a video about them last week, and they reached out to me and we made a quick deal on a giveaway. So I'm going to have a giveaway, and it's going to be an Instagram giveaway. If you would like to join, you need to follow my Instagram page, which is at Nisa Fareeha. The giveaway will be in like second week of February or third week of February. I was gonna keep it a secret, but since we're doing this Notion together, I might as well just let you guys know. I'm so excited about it. Okay, so Thinx giveaway. I would say this is a project, so I'm gonna put it as epic, and my priority is pretty it's pretty up there because I need to find a website that would host a giveaway and figure out all the logistics. And the timeline, I'm gonna give myself, the Thinx giveaway is going to, I don't know. I'll just do this date as an end date. All right, so you kind of know what I'll be up to for the next couple of months. I want to show you guys my consumption list. Since I talk a lot about conscious consumerism or conscious consumption, consumerism and consumption are two different things, but I like to talk about conscious consumption, which includes what you consume mentally, meaning the kind of media that you consume. Nowadays, I've been really intentional with what I listen to, and of course my books as well. These are one of the books that I want to read / listen, and I decided to arrange it through format, author, race, genre, and the status. And then if you scroll down, there'll be reading notes, so I would remember my takeaways from each book. I have not started yet. Yeah, so I definitely need to get that going. And if you realize, if you click this link right over here, it takes you to a different page where I think it's super cool because you have everything in one folder, but it's organized the way that makes sense to you, and it's super quick. I love it. All right, so let me explain to you guys why the name of the author and the race is really important for me. I'm in the process of dismantling white supremacy and basically colonialism as well. So I want to make a conscious decision on reading more people of color, more of their work. And when I'm listening or reading a book from a white person, I would like to know and be aware of this is a white person, instead of having it automatically being like how everything is just white, if that makes sense. Just colonialism. But yeah, that's one of my trick to dismantle whiteness. Most of my genre is really important for me because I have so many things that I'm interested in. On my Instagram, I try to be more of an activist. On my YouTube, I want to be more of a, someone you can chill with, someone you can be productive with, and someone you can definitely do self-care with as well. So being aware of what I read and what I consume, making sure I have balance of the things that I'm interested in is definitely great as a person and as a content creator as well. I also have a table for podcasts for now. These are the ones that for now, these are the podcasts that I am continuously listening to. I listen to a lot of podcasts, but these are the ones that are like my main. Green Dreamer, love Green Dreamer. They're more radical. Manifestation Babe is definitely about spirituality, manifestation. That's my stuff. Uncivil is Black history. I love it. Intersectionality matters. Everyone should learn about intersectionality to the fullest because it definitely impacts everyone. Racism impacts a lot. The systemic oppression, everything. Intersectionality talks about it. It's just amazing. I 100% recommend you to check Intersectionality Matters. And yeah, let me know if you do. But yeah, being aware on who you choose to consume from is important for me. And I will tell you guys that. Oh, I think I'm getting a migraine right now, but I want to create more chit chat videos where we talk about life being in like our 20s or what I learned in my early 20s, because I really want to connect with you guys at a human level. If you guys are into that kind of video, please comment down below. I would super appreciate it so I can actually do it. One of you guys sent me a really sweet DMs and it just made me so happy. I just read it just now. You're just so sweet. Yeah. Oh my god, my migraine is coming in. Oh my god. If you want to watch my other videos, you can right over here. I'm probably going to take some painkillers right now. Thank you for staying this long. I'll see you guys next week or maybe sooner. I might post a second video this week. We'll see. I don't know. Don't forget to be a better human, guys. Take care.